Hello, in this video I will go over quiz 5. So in quiz 5 states, graph the following quadratic function f of x equals x squared minus x minus 6, and we got to convert it from vertex form and x-intercept form. So let's do vertex form. I think x-intercept is pretty simple. You just have to factor it. So how do we do this if we want to excuse me, convert this standard form to vertex form? So you have to do what's called completing square. So first step is set y to 0. Factor as much as you can. So this could be factored out as, no, sorry. That's putting in an x-intercept. So the next step for converting it to vertex form is move the constant to the other side. So move 6 to the other side. So you get 6 equals to x squared minus x space. And what do we put in this space? You take half of b. So if our b is -1, take half of that and then square it. So that would be 1/4. Right? So you add 1/4 here and you add 1/4 there. So that would be, what's 6 plus 1/4? You would multiply this by 4. 6 times 24 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1, that's 25 over 4. That's x squared minus x plus 1/4. And then what I would do is put this in factor form. So how do I put this in factor form? We take, so it's going to be x and then half of b. So our half of, it's like going backwards. If our b was -1, half of that would be -1 squared. And then this is 25 over 4. Then move this 25/4 to the right by subtracting 25 over 4. So your function in vertex form is going to be x parentheses x minus 1/2 square minus 25 over 4, right? Okay, so that is in vertex form. Now we got to convert it to x-intercept form, which is pretty simple. You just factor it. So it would be x, and then I think I'll use 3 and 2. I'll use -3 and +2. Okay, so this is what's called x-intercept form. And this is what's called vertex form. Okay, so it says graph. So let's graph it. So that is good that we put it in both forms, because now we can, what do we need to graph? We need the vertex. We need the y-intercept. And we need our x-intercept. So let's look at our vertex form. Our vertex is actually given. Our vertex is going to be 1/2 comma -25/4, right? And our x, let's find our y-intercept. I think it's best to put it in here to find the y-intercept. So you plug in 0 into the function. Zero minus 3 is -3. 0 plus 2 is 2. That is -6. So your y-intercept is 0, -6. And okay, so that's your y-intercept. This is your vertex. And what else? The x-intercept is easy. If you have it in x-intercept form, you just set y to 0. Solve for x. So your x is going to be 3 and -2. Okay, so that is all we really need to graph this quadratic, we have the vertex, we have the y-intercept, we have the x-intercept, right? Okay, so x is 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, and then 1/2 comma negative 25/4. That is here's 1, so 1/2 would be right here, and then negative 6.25. 6. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. Wait, our y-intercept is what? Negative 6. It's right here. So this is negative 6, and then connect the dots. And that's your graph. Okay, I'm going to stop here.